Hello, I am Vaishali Samant. I invite you all to Saraswati Tutorials. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share with others. I will solve some more problems from vectors now. This is very important problem. It is there in some papers. If A is equals to I plus 4j plus 2k, B is equals to 3i minus 2j plus 7k, and C is equals to 2i minus j plus 4k, find vector A which is perpendicular to A and B. Find vector D, vector D which is perpendicular to A and B, and C dot D is 15. This is very important problem. D which I want to find out, I will write it as D1i plus D2j plus D3k. A is perpendicular to D, therefore A dot D is 0. Therefore A is AI plus 4j plus 2k dot D1D is D1i plus D2j plus D3k is equals to 0. If you take dot product, you know D1 plus 4D2 plus 2D3 is equals to 0. This is our equation 1. So we got it after substituting this. Another one, find D which is perpendicular to A and B both. So B dot D is also 0. B dot D is 0. We'll get 3D1 minus 2D2 plus 7D3 is equals to 0. Third condition is given that C dot D is equals to 15. This is C, this is D. Dot product 2D1 minus D2 plus 4D3 is equals to 15. Now we have to solve these three equations and we have to find out D1, D2, D3. If you will see here carefully, if you will take third and first equation, it will be two terms will cancel. Third equation I will write as it is 2D1 minus D2 plus 4D3 is equals to 15. And equation 1 I will multiply by 2 and I will write. So this will be 2D1 plus 8D2 plus 4D3 is equals to 0. I will subtract from this. So D3 and D1 will cancel. And minus 9D2 is equals to 15. So D2 is equals to minus 5 by 3. Highlight this. This is one answer. Now by 2 and 1. 2 and 1. I'll write 2. Here I'll write first 2. 3D1 minus 2D2 plus 7D3 is equals to 0. And equation 1 I'll multiply by 3. So if I'll multiply equation by 3, D1 cancels. That's why I'm doing it like this. Minus 3D1 minus 12D2 minus 6D3 is equals to 0. If you will subtract, you will get minus 14D2 plus D3 is equals to 0. Therefore, D3 is equals to 14D2, that is 14 into minus 5 by 3. So this will be minus 70 by 3. So D3 is equals to minus 70 by 3. Substitute these values in equation 1 because this is very easy. In that I will substitute D2 and D3. I will get D1 here. So D1 is equals to 20 by 3 plus 140 by 3, that is 160 by 3. So D1 is this. We have to find out D. So I will substitute here in D. In D, I will substitute D1, D2, this D3. D1 is 160 upon 3. D2 is minus 5 by 3 and D3 is minus 75 3. This is required problem. So this is very important problem. It is there in some papers. So study it carefully. Next problem is the angle between A and B is 5 pi by 6. Projection of A on B is minus 6 by root 3. Find magnitude of A. This is also important. Angle between A and B, that means A dot B, is equals to modulus of A into modulus of B into cos of 5 pi by 6. Cos of 5 pi by 6 is cos of pi minus pi by 6. As you know, pi minus anything, cos remains cos, but cos in the second quadrant, this is second quadrant is negative, so it is minus root 3 by 2. So we substitute here. This is equation 1. Now projection on A of A on B formula is A dot B upon modulus of B. It is given that this is minus 6 by root 3. So this and this I will equate. These two are equal, no? See, so I will equate here this and this. So it will be here a modulus of a into modulus of b into minus root 3 by 2 into this one is equals to minus 6 by root 3. So you will get here modulus of a is equals to 6 upon root 3, negative cancels, 2 upon root 3, it will be 12 upon 3, that is equals to 4. So modulus of a is equals to 4. See here, from this equation I am finding a dot b is equals to minus 6 upon root 3 into mod b. And that I will substitute here, those values I will substitute here. Next problem is, two adjacent sides of parallelogram are 2i minus 4j plus 5k and I minus 2j minus 3k. Find unit vectors parallel to its diagonals. So if adjacent sides I will denote by a and b vectors. A is 2i minus 4j plus 5k and b is I minus 2j minus 3k. Then if a and b are adjacent sides, then as you know, diagonals are a plus b and a minus b. A minus b or b minus a, anything you can write. So I will find out a plus b. 3i minus 6j plus 2k. And modulus of it will be root of 3 square plus 6 square plus 2 square, that is equals to root 7. Sorry, that is equals to root 49, that is equals to 7. So unit vector parallel to a plus b will be a plus b divided by modulus of a plus b. Substitute here values, you will get this is one of the answer. A minus b is this minus this, I will do here, I will get I. This minus 2j. This minus this, it will be 8k. So modulus of that will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 8 square. So root 69. So unit vector parallel to a minus b is a minus b divided by modulus of a minus b. Substitute here. This is your answer. Now I will stop here and next time I will solve some more problems on this.